Hello YouTube, I know you're sick and tired of those Parkside videos, but today I went to Lidl and there were so many promotions on their Parkside series, so I couldn't help myself. Here I have this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. It's the bare unit. There are some accessories in the box: crevice nozzle, wet nozzle, brush nozzle and universal nozzle. It has a rated suction power of 3 kilopascals. The collection system is bugless, and we have a collection container of 0.65 liter with washable fine grill filter. Of course, we have manual, we have those for accessories, and the unit itself. We can attach those attachments to each other. Let's take a look at the unit itself. Grizzly Tools is the manufacturer. We have a holding hook over here, a rubberized on-off switch, rubberized handle, and this is the washable fine grill filter. And the container with this little rubberized door over there. And this part here also is rubberized. Okay, let's place a battery pack and test it. Here I have 3 different piles of nuts, washers and screws. Let's see how powerful is the vacuum cleaner. Well, it did collect them, but it took some time. It's not as powerful as corded vacuum cleaner, but I think it's perfect for everyday dust collecting. Okay, now let's disassemble the unit and see what parts we have inside. And this is what we have inside. Some basic battery recognition and control board. Electrical motor. I'm not sure about the model, but I think it's a standard Parkside motor. RS 550 20 volts. We have aluminium impeller, which is quite nice. I had some issues with the impeller of another little brand, Silvercrest, which was plastic and broke down. And of course we have the on-off switch, some basic foam filter, and that's all. So it's left for me to reassemble the unit and retest it. The unit is reassembled, but I have noticed something that I don't like. The notch over here and the tooth above are too close to the edge of the plastic shroud. The notch is only 3 mm away from the edge of the plastic shroud, and the tooth is practically on the edge itself. In everyday use, those parts are subject to wear and breakage, and placing them too close to the edge makes them even weaker. Take a look at my Silvercrest unit. The notch is maybe 4.5 millimeters inside the shroud, and we have a second notch on the top. So I think that the locking mechanism on the Silvercrest is designed better, but that's only my opinion. So that's from me, guys. You know the drill. Thumbs up and subscribe.